Full script: Why AI belongs in the world of art. In today's world, artificial intelligence is changing everything from how we work and communicate to how we create. But nowhere has the debate been more passionate than in the realm of art. Many artists, critics, and fans are asking, is AI-generated art really art? Is it authentic? Is it ethical? Will it destroy creative industries? The short answer is no, it won't destroy art. In fact, it may be the most exciting leap forward since the invention of the digital canvas. Let us take a closer look at why AI isn't here to replace artists but to redefine the boundaries of creativity. Every time a new medium enters the creative world, it's met with skepticism and fear. Let's rewind. When the camera was invented in the 19th century, many painters felt threatened. Why paint a portrait when a camera could capture reality in seconds? But the opposite happened. Art moved away from realism and exploded into new movements. Impressionism, Cubism, Expressionism styles that focused on emotion, light, and human experience. Fast forward to the late 20th century. Digital art emerged. Graphic tablets, vector software, and 3D modeling shook the traditional world. Critics said digital art was too easy, soulless, or not real. Today, digital artists are essential in film, gaming, branding, and every creative sector. Their work shapes the modern visual world. AI is simply the next phase in this evil. Section 2. Let's be clear. AI is not the artist. It's a collaborator, a highly sophisticated assistant. A human still has to write the prompt, interpret the results, edit the outcome, inject intent, emotion, and context. It's no different than using Photoshop filters or rendering engines. The tool doesn't determine the art, the artist does. Think of AI as a virtual sketchpad with endless possibilities. It helps overcome creative blocks, visualize abstract concepts, and even inspire unexpected directions. Some illustrators use AI to brainstorm character poses. Filmmakers use AI to create mood boards and concept art. Writers use it to visualize scenes. It doesn't strip away the artist's vision, it helps bring it to life faster, bolder, and with fewer technical limits. Section 3. Accessibility and inclusion. 2 minutes. One of the most powerful arguments in favor of AI art. It democratizes creativity. For centuries, art has been gatekept. Materials are expensive, training takes years, skill gaps limit creative freedom, but AI can bridge those gaps. A storyteller with no design skills can now visualize a scene from their novel. A musician can generate an album cover that matches their lyrics and mood. A disabled artist who can't physically draw can still create with voice commands and text prompts. This isn't about lowering the bar, it's about opening the door wider. Creativity shouldn't be limited to those with perfect technique or elite tools. It should be a space where ideas lead and AI helps execute them. Let's tackle the real issues head-on. Plagiarism and training. Data. A valid concern. Many AI models are trained on publicly available art without permission. Artists worry their style is being mimicked, or worse, used in new works without credit. This is a problem. But the solution is better regulation, opt-in systems, and artist compensation, not banning the tech altogether. Already, some platforms are working on ethical datasets and attribution models. Let's not throw away the entire medium because the early versions had flaws. It's not original. Is AI art really creative? Isn't it just remixing other people's work? Here's the truth. So is most human art. All artists borrow, remix, reinterpret, musicians sample. Writers build on archetypes. Painters emulate their method. Creativity has always been a conversation with the past. AI just makes the process faster, but the final choice of what to say and how still lies with the human. Jobs and automation. Will AI eliminate jobs in some areas, but it will also create new ones. Prompt engineers, AI art curators, visual editors, hybrid designers who blend AI and hand-drawn elements. Just like photographers didn't vanish when smartphones arrived. Artists will evolve and the creative economy will shift, not disappear. AI in art isn't about replacing humans. It's about amplifying what makes us human. Our imagination, our curiosity, and our need to create. Art is not defined by the tool used, but by the intention behind it, whether it's made with a brush, a stylus, or an algorithm. The real magic is the mind behind the work. We're standing at the beginning of a new era, one where machines don't replace us, but inspire us. So let's not resist the future. Let's collaborate with it. Because the best art still comes from people. It's just that now, people have more powerful tools than ever before.